Here we go.
Hey guys, we're at Mike's Stadium Sportscards. It's trade night, so we're doing another case break. Oh, it's okay. You guys can talk. Just don't curse excessively. Tonight we're breaking open a full 12 count case of 2015 Crown Royale football, and we're going to save for last a little bit of dessert here. We have the box of 2015 Immaculate football. So, enough about me. It's all about the cards.
Alrighty.
Hook a brother up. Alright, what teams do I have? I have the Chargers. What do I have?
You have the Bucks.
I have the Bucks. No, I sold the Bucks.
Sold the Bucks.
Bucks are gone.
I thought you'd have the Canadians on the line.
I'm already up on that.
Oh, that's Chris Conley. Chris Conley.
That's a nice.
Hey John, you're right. We may have to sort it all.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
There's so many inserts and parallels.
Julio,
Cool.
we have a 400-point card, which we will not be showing everybody. Trust me.
But the viewers want to see.
Yeah,
You
well,
want to see all the numbers on there, Mike.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Can I just borrow that code for a minute?
We got a fun one right there.
You got a fun one right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
Is
real
it
thick.
is it Funches?
Bunches. Bunches.
Funches? Duke Johnson, autographed jersey, Browns.
There you go.
Oh, there's two in this pack. Two.
You're all.
All right, because this break is going to take forever to sort, we'll start pulling these off. Yeah. There you go, sir.
Well, way to keep stuff out.
That's the thick,
Oh, yeah, autographs and jerseys. Oh, this is the thick one? All right.
real thick.
The real thick.
That's a really big decoy.
Yeah, exactly.
Cray thick, huh?
A lot of cheese.
Yeah.
Wow.
I like that cardboard.
TJ Yeldon.
Wow, a lot of cheese in that.
Wait, is that two? Wait.
Yes.
I know, it's got to be numbered. I know.
Numbered out of 99 and not numbered.
Okay.
It was
Same color.
Sure it was. Boom, boom.
Yeah, I have two decent. Okay.
Dorial Green Beckham jersey card. Pretty much.
There's the Falcon.
We have Mike Davis jersey card. Sorry, Jake, I wasn't doing very good with the play-by-play there. Sorry, dude. I know. This always messes me up when we see a green card. Hey, Devin Funches, numbered out of 49, autographed jersey card.
Very nice.
bunches of bunches.
Bunches of bunches.
Michigan product.
All right, we'll pull for our sorters here after this one. Marcus Peters, autograph from the Chefs.
Nice.
See that?
Ha! Oh.
Alrighty, would you like to send these down to our sorter straight ahead? Please and thank you. Yeah, just takes just a sec. Flacco, we have a jersey card of Devontae Parker. Oop, nope, that doesn't go there.
There's a shiny card over.
Oh, you got a new movie?
Tony Lippett from the Dolphins out of 49, autograph.
There's a color.
I do love it. And it's this color that's my
Marcus Mariota, jersey card.
Need my bears.
So what shape for it?
It's a cabbage cap.
Frank Clark, Seahawks. Upside down for no apparent reason. Kevin White, jersey card, Bears.
There you go, bud.
That's cool.
Is that your team? All right. Bears are on the board. Numbered out of 25, Delaney Walker. Nice parallel. Jameis Winston, silhouette.
Oh.
Oh! Why is there so much noise? Because I sold the Buccaneers. Because I'm an idiot.
Yes, you are, Dad. Yes, you are.
Oh, it's rectangular. It's got a picture of Jameis Winston on it.
Who bought it? Man.
Really smart Nick over there. Tyler Lockett. Seahawks jersey card. Tim, next time you're going to do it.
Yeah.
Okay. You almost pulled the trigger. Oh, yeah, Nick's card.
Oh my
I
god.
keep getting that same card. I've gotten that same. I think it's
I saw that.
Marcus Murphy, number 1/99 from the Saints.
That's my husband.
So you got the Bucks?
Well, there's a little bit more involved, but yeah, we'll just go with that.
Did it cost me more money?
9 hits.
It was a good
If I see
investment.
another one, that was better than the same.
We're just giving you guys everything.
Okay.
Mr. Payne, numbered out of 49, autograph. Panthers.
Take any of those?
You had
Everything but the Winston.
Aaron Rodgers on the cover of the box. Does that matter? No.
Only if you pull one. Yeah. Tom Brady. Jameis Winston jersey card.
Dad.
Good one, Mike.
Just hurt a guy.
Good job, Dad. You're so smart.
I wish I would have ponied up and paid the.
Jordan Taylor from the Broncos. Who?
Cool.
Autograph?
I'm gonna text your mom and see what the status is.
I don't know. If she wants to go to dinner, she'll go to dinner. She doesn't want to go to dinner. Ozzie Newsome, Browns, Hall of Famer. Jersey card
All
out of 50. Does anybody want the Browns? I can't handle the Browns. I couldn't possibly own the Browns.
You only would have.
I've gotten the same card
Years,
3
Dad.
times.
From the Browns, number 25/25, Johnny Manziel and Duke Johnson.
It's a nice patch card.
Thick pack. Sammy Coates silhouettes from the Steelers, autographed jersey card, and Breshard Perryman, numbered out of 99. Is it just? Oh, and Buck Allen.
Ah.
Let's see if I can be made to feel worse. Marcus Peters, numbered out of 199 from the Chiefs.
Chiefs is getting a lot of money.
This one's numbered out of 10, Andy Dalton. Base card parallel of Andy Dalton.
It's almost
Ozzie Newsome, jersey card. Browns.
Who has the Browns?
This guy right here who wanted to get rid of him so bad, and no one took him up on the offer.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks for nothing, right.
Right.
Sammy Coates, out of 199, Steelers, autograph.
There's like 2 Packers cards.
I haven't done it yet.
Okay, Aaron Rodgers, base card. Sorry, I'll call off the Packers, guys. Hey, Melvin Gordon, I kept them. Yay.
Yeah,
Non-autograph jersey card.
Give us something else.
I said
I've
one
got
of the
the same
Chargers,
card
not the
3
Colts.
times. Hey, there's a Colt.
Falcons.
Jalen Johnson, Falcons, numbered out of 299, autograph.
You mean Collins?
Collins.
cool. It's cool.
Collins.
I got something.
I got you.
That's my best card.
That's what I'm here for.
I can start accentuating my P's and T's with
Save
spittle.
the card.
Oh.
I'm up here, man. That's all good.
Chris Carter, that's pretty cool. From the
nice.
Vikings, jersey card.
Vikings.
Touchdown.
Hey. You know, Brett Favre was a Viking.
And how are we supposed to compete with Brett for
Favre.
Peyton Manning, base card. Derek Carr, Amari Cooper, numbered out of 99, dual jersey card. Hey, I said that one correctly. Hee hee.
Yes, sir.
But I have to
Drew Brees, God, they got to quit putting green in there. It gets me all like, hey, maybe.
Write your congressman.
There you go. Numbered out of 15, Eric Rowe from the Eagles. That's a nice looking
I
autograph.
don't know what that is.
All right, we've got 2 more packs and 4 more boxes, and it's Immaculate time. All right, from the Browns, Duke Johnson.
Good job.
Yeah, apparently so. Eric Decker. Decker?
Decker?
Manziel.
Ben Roethlisberger, 3 of 5.
Oh! Oh!
Good job.
I didn't sell you the Steelers for $38, did I?
No, I had the
Okay.
Steelers already.
All right, congratulations. New guy. The new guy. What's up with that?
Good luck.
We're going to keep these two here if that's all right.
That's garbage.
Mike, did you sell the Steelers too?
Oh, no, I did not sell the Steelers. Clive Walford, numbered out of 199. Raiders. There you go. Phillip Rivers. There's my consolation prize. I got a Phillip Rivers out of 99.
Wah, 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 wah.
Hey,
Rubble.
this one's really thick.
Oh!
It's gonna be in the filler.
Packers.
Filler. All right, Kevin White.
You got two Kevins.
Jersey card.
Yippers.
Pretty good.
That was a Packer.
All right, Devin Smith from the Jets, numbered out of 299.
Where's the Packers?
I don't know. We're not getting enough Packer cards.
They didn't give you cards because they're on the covers of all the boxes.
Mary, do you mind throwing some of that in here?
Yeah.
Please and thank you. Yes, indeed. All right, we have a Philip Dorsett jersey card.
Something.
Thank you.
Packers.
It's okay. When I get that Tom Brady autograph out of Immaculate, we'll be all good. Marcus Golden from the Cardinals. Cardinals are on the board. Aaron Rodgers, numbered out of 199, base card.
A-Ron.
Jacob one.
Well, he's on the cover of the box, right?
Yes.
Tony Romo. Sean Mannion. Rams rookie jersey card. Oop,
He has no chance to start now.
you never know.
I don't think.
Need some more?
It's more.
Well, I hope. Here you go, back to back.
All right.
Another Mannion card. Silhouette.
Decoy.
It's gonna be another filler.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Kurt Warner
Ooh,
from the
nice.
Rams. We're on a Rams run.
Nice card.
Sorry.
All right, two more boxes of Royale.
Yeah.
Oh, God, I would love that, man.
Yeah.
Drew Brees. Just fun to say. Jalen Strong, numbered out of 125. Autograph. Oh, Texans. That's me. Yay.
Yeah, hey, high five, Mike. High five.
DeMarco Murray, numbered out of 5. There's the green one that
That's what you want.
from the Browns. Duke
Dude,
Johnson.
dude.
Number 3 of 5.
Dude, that is sick.
So next time it's gonna be like, oh, I got the Buccaneers. Will you trade for the Browns? No.
It's a nice patch, man.
6 round hits already.
I'm cool with that.
Yeah.
Epic. And minimal Menzel.
Nick O'Leary, numbered out of 93. Autograph. Matt Ryan out of 99.
Is there that last box?
Iffy.
All right, we got one more box. All right, Tevin Coleman, Falcons jersey card. Last box. This has been a pretty darn good case.
This is a good case.
It was a
Sir.
good case.
It was a good case.
No? Well, I mean, collectively good. I mean, sorry it's not good for everybody. Jay Cutler, who owns the Bears? Give you $1 if you rip up this card. You gonna do it?
Wait.
And you did it in front of the Bears fan, jerks.
That's $1. I'd buy that for $1. Eric Dickerson, jersey card.
Cutler just got cut.
Ooh, nice.
Oh, yeah, cut here. I thought you were like talking like for real.
No, right there.
Pulling out the box.
Hey, wasn't that the 1 of 1?
What? Clay Matthews, 250 pointer. And
That's pretty good. Only 1 Panini points on the whole case.
2.
Well, 2. You just got another one.
I didn't see that. Yeah.
Redskins. Hey, Redskins are on the board.
Panini
Jamison
points actually worth
Crowder.
something now.
All right, last pack of Royale.
Browns. Another Duke
It's
Johnson.
really thin.
Come on, get.
Andrew Luck. Clive Walford from the Raiders. Which concludes our
How about this whole
case.
thing's immaculate?
And it's Immaculate time. Let me clear these so we have no mishappenings.
This wasn't a mishappening. This was on purpose.
Tom Brady. Tom Brady.
I got a big Jordan on there right
Oh yeah.
Brady autograph. Brady autograph.
Just want Duke, huh? More Duke?
now. 97.
Anybody in the break want the 10? Anybody want the 10?
I got a Marjorie.
Ah, there you go.
Okay.
Sorry.
Did you pull it?
No.
No, you bought it.
Alrighty, Immaculate time. Starting it off with Icky.
Okay, cool.
Icky out of 99. We have a TJ Yeldon out of 25. Wow. Look at this Chris Conley. This is number 7 of 7. Packers are up next. We have a Brett Hundley and Ty Montgomery out of 99. Landon Collins, numbered 1 out of 25. And the Seahawks hit it nicely. Tyler Lockett, numbered out of 99. Wow.
Last card, same.
Not too bad,
Not
sir.
too shabby.
Do you have the Chiefs? Do you have the Chefs?
Immaculate, I'm not sure. I gotta look. I'm good with the Browns. Embarrassed, I don't know.
No.
No. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. I'm glad we had good cards and it was worth your watching. So we do this every Saturday, and I'll post it on Monday. So whatever you did the last couple days, you have it. So thanks, guys. We'll be showing you more soon. Please subscribe to our videos. And what did the cameraman say?
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers.
There you go. Very appropriate. Happy Mother's Day to all your mothers.